And now to that call that turned Monday Night Football into Monday Night Mayhem. The Seattle Seahawks defeating the Green Bay Packers on a last-second play that may be one of the biggest referee blunders of all time. It has fans and players screaming for the NFL, including Josh Elliott, to end the referee lockout and send the replacement refs to the sidelines. ABC's John Muller joins us now with more. John, it was the call heard around the world.
You got that right, Amy. Just when NFL fans thought it couldn't get any worse after a weekend filled with rage towards these replacement referees, last night a call to end the Seahawks-Packers game that has fans, players, coaches, commentators, everyone pointing the finger at the NFL and saying enough is enough.
There were 8 seconds left on the clock, and ESPN commentator John Gruden laid it on the line.
Flood a section of the end zone with as many Seahawks as you can and give someone a chance.
Seahawks rookie quarterback Russell Wilson puts up a Hail Mary.
Fought for by Tate with Jennings simultaneous. Who has it? Who they give it to? Touchdown!
But look here. Watch the two refs literally giving mixed signals in the end zone. One says it's a touchdown, one says it isn't.
For the life of me, I don't know how M.D. Jennings doesn't have credit for an interception.
To me, it feels like a Jennings interception.
And after taking another look,
after further ado, the call on the field stands. Touchdown.
Seahawks win.
This is comical to me, really. That's two of the worst calls at the end of a football game I can remember.
I agree with you, John. When it impacts the end of a game and the outcome of a game, is this the impetus to change this lockout situation? We don't know. Time will answer that.
reaction was fast and furious.
It was awful.
What way?
Just look at the replay.
I've never seen anything like that in all my years in football.
Packer linebacker Clay Matthews and Wisconsin State Senator John Erpenbach even posted NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell's phone numbers on Facebook and Twitter. And the uproar went viral. Saints QB Drew Brees, the Packers' next opponent, tweeted his solidarity. "I love this league and love the game of football, but tonight's debacle hurts me greatly. This is not the league we're supposed to represent." Goodell and the NFL are in negotiations with the referees union, but 3 weeks of chaos and controversy over calls on the field are taking their toll. Sunday, Pats coach Bill Belichick grabbed a ref's arm after his team lost to the Ravens after another controversial call.
All right, the Seahawks won the game 14-12. The ending was farcical. The game wasn't over for another 10 minutes. Both teams called back from the locker rooms for the extra point. The NFL is fond of telling their players they have to respect the game. Well, now they're hearing the same thing directed at them. As Josh said earlier, it's a case of integrity.